G'day collectors, welcome back to the Nerd Kingdom. We've got something special for you today. We're releasing another website exclusive. If you've been living under a rock for a while and you don't know what that means, basically we pick a car that you can only get through us. It's a very, very fast deal. Like last one we did, sold out in less than 90 seconds. This one I reckon will probably go about the same time. Let's have a look at the car and talk a bit about why we chose it and what's cool about it. All right, let's go visors down, rip into the box and take a boat peek. There you go, black car. Obviously a Ford Mustang as driven by Walkinshaw Andretti United's Chaz Mostert. Now, the reason we chose this car is this is actually from the Adelaide 500 in 2024. If you didn't watch that race, go back and watch it. It is an absolute burster of a race. As it turns out, Chaz was sort of leading the race up until I think 16 laps before the end of it, where he got punted in the back passage by a young Brock Feeney. Who basically ended up in front of him, and even though Brock came third, he had a 30-second time penalty, so it actually came to be the runner-up at the Adelaide 500, won by Will Brown, who also got the championship at that time. We chose this car because it's actually the black car in its sort of standard livery, even though it kind of changed halfway through the year. Burster of a race, which we thought we just have to do this car, and you can have it. So the deal is, this is a website exclusive. That means you can only get it from us, so jump onto our website, authenticcollectibles.com.au. This will be going on sale at 10 a.m. Western Standard Time, so that means you need to figure out where you live and what the time difference is between there and Perth, so that you're on the computer right at the right time to get this. As I said before, these are going to go like hotcakes, so you need to be on that button, ready to order. That's Thursday actually, so if I didn't mention that before, Thursday the 23rd. Jump in quick, these are going to go like hotcakes, they always do. I can't say much more about it apart from the usual stuff. We'll have a bunch of B-roll for this, which you can already see, and get in while you can. All right, that'll do for now, take it easy.